Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a payment decline error on Rebtel. Now the easiest steps to do this, because it can be frustrating when you get a payment decline error, especially for users in countries like Nigeria. I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step procedure to troubleshoot and fix this issue. Now the objective is to successfully add credit to your Rebtel account, and what you need is your smartphone with your Rebtel app, a debit credit card, and potential alternatives like PayPal. So it's quite simple. These are the things you need to do. Then if they don't work, then you check out our next video on what to do. But this should work. Before you make any changes, ensure the basics are correct. You see, most declines happen due to simple oversight. So what you need to do is to check your internet connection. A shaky connection can interrupt the payment process. So switch to a stable Wi-Fi network or ensure you have a strong 4G, 5G signal. Number 2 is to verify your card details. Double check that you have entered your 16-digit card number correctly. Check the expiry date the month before the year. Then check if the CVV, that is the 3-digit code on the back, accurately. Make sure you've entered it accurately. Name on the card, make sure it matches exactly as it appears on the card. Then you have to check your bank balance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your account for the transaction. Remember, Rebtel's charge will be in USD, Euro, or GPP. So your bank will convert it to your local currency. Ensure you have enough to cover the amount plus any potential international transaction fees. Then you can restart the Rebtel app. Completely close the Rebtel app and reopen it. This can clear temporal glitches. Lastly, you have to update the Rebtel app. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple Store, depending on the device you're using, and search for Rebtel and see if an update is available. Because an outdated app can have permanent bugs, can have payment bugs. So this should fix it, and if it doesn't, check out our next video on how to fix this problem by contacting your bank. Hope you found this video helpful.